Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. Today we're going to do a really simple blackened mahi sandwich. Got a whole piece of mahi here, skin on. I'll go ahead and remove that. It's real easy to do. Just want to get it started at the tail, find a little corner, and the hardest part is getting it started. You need a good knife for this. At least a good knife makes it easier. And once you got it started, you just grip the skin, holding your knife at maybe a 25-degree angle. And you just pull the skin towards you and let the knife do the work. All right, so we're not going to waste this skin. It's actually good for your dog. If we're going to give him a couple slices, it's got to be cooked though, and only as a treat, not as a main source of nutrition. Because why waste anything? So we're just going to make good little sandwich-sized pieces, maybe something like that there. We're just keeping it simple today. Got some Old Bay blackening. It's really easy to make your own blackening seasoning, but we had this, so we're just going for it. You want a good coat of it on all sides. Today we're going to be using a cast iron flat top with a little bit of grapeseed oil. We're going to go ahead and get these on. Got our cast iron hot, put a little grapeseed oil on. Let's go ahead and put the mahi right on. Been going about 4 minutes. We're going to flip it. About 4 minutes, maybe 5 if you don't think it looks quite right on each side. And then like in all things, good finishing move, a little lime. We put together a cilantro lime slaw, which is good on most fish. So it's just got some cabbage here, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, some lime, some cilantro, and some finely chopped onion. And we just give that a little mix. Smells nice and fresh. Smells really good. Got our blackened fish, our toasted bun. We put a little mayonnaise on each side. We got our slaw. We're going to put it together. Keep it simple. It's really all you need. If you wanted tomato, lettuce, any of that, you could. I think the slaw is going to be good enough in itself. And I'm going to layer it a little bit because it's made out of fish. You need some substance. That just looks amazing to me. Check it out. Oh man, that looks good. Best fish sandwich I've ever had. No joke. I was not excited about this, guys. So not excited that I have a backup plan in store. That is good. That's worth it. According to the official food pyramid made by scientists, you can see that fish is basically a vegetable. So we're going to go ahead and recreate the same thing, but with ribeyes. So I had pulled the ribeyes out of the freezer as a joke, thinking I might need it, because I'm not a big fish guy, and I didn't expect it to be so good. It really was the best fish sandwich I've ever had. It really was super filling. Yeah, so this kind of looks like a daunting task, but I mean, come on, it's a blackened ribeye sandwich, so I'm still gonna eat it. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh, it's still really good. That's amazing too.